Welcome to Bedtime Stories. Today we're going to read Marvel Spidey's Amazing Friends. Superhero Hiccups. Spidey, Ghost Spider, Miles, Green Goblin. Spidey and Miles are superheroes. Someone set off an alarm at the library. Miles sees Green Goblin's gutter. He must be inside. Miles can turn invisible. He will sneak up on Green Goblin. Spidey and Miles head inside. Miles sees Green Goblin reading a book. Green Goblin reads about the legendary warrior, the Pumpkin King. Green Goblin wants the Pumpkin King's power sword. It can destroy anything. The heroes try to stop Green Goblin, but Miles has hiccups. Green Goblin throws pumpkin pranks. Miles wants to throw whip, but his whip cups again. Green Goblin leaves to find the power sword. Miles thinks his hiccups ruined everything, but Spidey says it's okay. Spidey says, when a plan doesn't go my way, I just try something else to save the day. Miles feels better. We must find the power sword before Goblin does. Miles says Spidey takes a picture of the Goblin Brooke was reading. Maybe they will find a clue. The heroes go to headquarters. Ghost Spidey looks for clues. You can find the power sword. But Miles still has hiccups. He almost zapped his friend with Oracle Sting. Ghost Spider finds the power sword. It is at the museum. Miles wants to stay. Eating hiccups will cause trouble. But even his hiccups, Miles can still hope. The team goes to the museum. They will get the power sword before Green Goblin does. The heroes get the sword, but Green Goblin takes it. Miles still has hiccups, but he must save his friends. Miles uses his invisibility power, pretends to be a ghost. Miles hiccups and zaps again. Green Goblin is very afraid. He thinks it's a real ghost. Green Goblin drops the sword. Miles takes the power sword. Miles frees his friend with the power sword. Green Goblin tries to escape, but Spidey team catches him with their webs. The Spidey team wins and Miles' his hiccups are gone. But now Green Goblin has hiccups. Sorry, Goblin. Wordless alarm. A device that warns of danger. Library, a place with a large collection of books. Legendary, like a famous story told for hundreds and hundreds of years. Hiccups, a sudden gulping sound. Pranks, tricks. Headquarters, a secret place where Spidey, Ghost Spider, and Miles meet.